Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to be making a very simple and quick low carb meal for you. You can either have this for lunch or dinner. We decided to have this for lunch, and by we I say my mom and I. But we are each going to only have half a piece of chicken each. If you need to eat a whole chicken breast, by all means, but I'm going to show you how to make this just using a half piece chicken. Make sure your oven is set to 400 degrees. That way, while you are preparing the chicken, that can get ready. So the first thing that I do is I pound the chicken out like crazy, so I'm gonna cover it. And if you have a rubber mallet, that would work a whole lot better than having to use the back of a measuring cup. But you gotta do what you gotta do, because I didn't have a rubber mallet. But make sure that you pound the chicken out to make it very thin so that it is easy to roll up. After you pound the chicken out, you are going to season it. So I'm going to use some garlic powder and I'm going to sprinkle that on top. I'm also going to use sea salt and some black pepper. Make sure that you season both sides as well. Once you have seasoned your chicken, then you're going to take your pesto. You can either buy it from the store or you can make your own pesto, whatever you want to do. But you're only going to take a spoonful and you're going to apply it to each piece of chicken and make sure that you spread it out evenly. You're going to take your tomato and you are going to slice this very thinly. You do not want thick pieces of tomato, so make sure that, again, you slice it thin. And you are going to put 2 slices on each half of the chicken breast. So if you're doing 1 full chicken breast, you're going to need 4 slices. If you're doing 2 full chicken breasts, you're going to need 8. Once you have your tomatoes placed onto your chicken, the next step is to take some mozzarella cheese and you're going to just place that, about a handful, on top of each chicken breast or each half, and then it is time to roll it up. If you have toothpicks, you should definitely put toothpicks on the ends just to secure it and make sure that it stays in place. I didn't, but I did use skewers, so skewers help as well. Okay, so you are going to place your chicken onto the stove in a pan that has a little bit of olive oil on it. I would recommend that you put the pan on the oven before you finish cooking your chicken or preparing your chicken. That way it's hot. And you're going to cook your chicken on each side for about 5 minutes, and then you're going to place it into the oven. And I normally will sprinkle a little bit more mozzarella cheese on top of the chicken just to add a little bit more cheese to it because I love cheese. And you're going to cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes in the oven on 400 degrees. So this is what it should look like when you take it out of the oven, and I just put a side of asparagus along with this and it tasted so good. I was very impressed with this. I've never actually tried this recipe before, but it was very, very good, and I definitely will be putting this on my list to make for the coming months because it was so easy and it took no time. So I hope that you enjoyed this very simple and quick meal, and if you do try this, let me know if you like it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!